Next, let's maximize our earning potential by optimizing a few pages. Click View Your Store, and you'll be routed to the online store themes page, where if you scroll down, you can see that the Atlas theme has been added below. Click Publish for the Atlas theme, and then click Publish to confirm. Next, click Customize. This will open the Shopify editor. Here you can see our home page in the desktop view, but I recommend switching to a mobile view, because that's how most people are going to see your site. Then if you scroll through, you can see all the hard work that Atlas did on your home page. Next, you can go to the top, click Home Page, Products, and then Default Product to pull up the product page we were looking at earlier. Now, before we get too far, we need to turn on the Atlas editor. On the left side, click on App Embeds, and then turn on Atlas Store Builder and Atlas Cart Upsells. Now you have access to all the Atlas editor features. As you're scrolling through your website, if you find anything that you want to update, you can simply click on it, and then settings will appear in the left side where you can make your edits and updates. In addition to making updates to individual items on your site, I also recommend a few broad changes, including updating your theme settings. To do this, go to the gear on the left side, and then there are two main theme settings I recommend updating first, starting with your logo. In the logo section, you can add a logo as well as a favicon. If you don't have a logo or a favicon for your website, I recommend logo.com. Logo.com lets you simply type in your business name, and then it generates tons of logo options that you can choose from. Once you've customized the perfect logo, you can download all the files you need, including a high-resolution version and a favicon. Add your logo and favicon to update them. Next, update your social media information. If your homepage or product page includes social media icons for social platforms you don't want to link to, you can simply delete the hashtag or # from the relevant social media field. To add your social media links, add them in the format specified below each field. Next, I recommend doing a check and going through the site and replacing any placeholder elements that you don't want to use. Simply click on the element, and then settings will appear in the left side where you can make updates. When you're done making changes, don't forget to click Save in the top right to lock everything in.